In this video, we will show you how to charge your Somfy Motorized Roller Shade using the magnetic charging cable. To charge your shade, you'll need three parts: the magnetic cable lead, the magnetic rigid cable, and the charger. If the magnetic lead isn't part of your charging kit, it's possible that the lead may be already connected to your motor head. The first step is to locate the motor head. This will be the end of the shade with the antenna coming out. Next, take the magnetic lead and connect it to the motor head. It should go in easily, so do not force it, as it may not be facing the right direction. Once you have connected the lead, you'll need to connect the rigid cable to the charging cable, and then plug the charging cable into the wall. You may need to use the extension cord provided in the box with the charging cord. This goes between the charging cord and the rigid cable. When you plug the charging cable into the wall, you will see the LED light turn on. Then connect the rigid cable to the magnetic lead. When you connect the cord to the motor lead, the LED light on the charger will turn red. Once the shade is fully charged, this will turn green. That should take about 4 to 5 hours. At this time, just give the rigid cable a tug and it will disconnect from the magnetic lead. Lastly, you'll need to either remove the magnetic lead from the motor or secure it to the wall. It is important not to leave the magnetic lead hanging freely, as it could get rolled up in the shade and damage fabric or the motor.